Good morning. It's officially day 4 of my juice cleanse and I'm feeling good this morning. I didn't film day 2 or 3 because those days were a little rough for me. On day 2 I was very foggy, and on day 3 I was having a lot of cravings, and my cycle started yesterday. So it made a lot of sense as to why everything that was going on was going on. So I decided just to make sure that I'm okay before I just pick up a camera and start filming myself. So recap of day 2. It started off really good. I had the most energy out of the 3 prior days on day 2. That was when I had the most energy, and I was just working out. I whipped out my treadmill. I was walking. I had to find things to do around the house. I was cleaning. I was making a lot of juices that day. I just had a plethora of energy. And then on day 3, it was the complete opposite. I was very tired. I was not hungry, but I was having like serious cravings where I just really wanted to eat just anything. I was reminiscing food I had last week. Like, it was just really weird. And then my cycle started and I was like, oh, okay. And then once my cycle started, it was like the cravings got a little bit more intense. And honestly, it was to the point where I was like, if Mag wants to quit today, I'll quit today. I was like, if anybody wants to make me some spaghetti, I won't stop you, and I will not stop myself from eating. We were there at that point. And thankfully, my family is very supportive about this current detox. So I'm on day 4. I made it through. So today, this morning, I really felt normal for once out of all the days of the juice cleanse. I felt like I could get up, do my regular routine. I'm back to doing my face routine right now. I have like little bumps because my cycle's on, but this is the first time I've done my face routine in months. And it feels really good kind of start getting back to routines, because for the longest I stopped many routines, including like even reading my Bible, and that's something I do on a daily basis. And so that routine got chopped and screwed. So I'm happy that that routine is even coming into play again. And I'm finding that because of the cleanse, I'm thinking more clearly. My brain's not as foggy anymore. On day 2, there was a different kind of fogginess. This type of fogginess I'm speaking about has been throughout the past year, where it's just like where I just couldn't focus on anything long enough to actually complete the task. So I'm happy to have this type of focus back, where I can concentrate on the things I'm supposed to concentrate about and think about the things I'm supposed to think about and be back on my routines, because I'm a routine girl. I like doing things in a very organized manner. I'm a planner girl, so it feels good to be home. So right now I am drinking watermelon. That's my first juice of the day. Actually, it's kind of late for me to have my first juice. It's 11:21 a.m. and yeah, I'm just now having my watermelon because I wanted to weigh myself, and I'll do that in a separate video, talk about all the weight loss and all that jazz, because honestly that's not the focus of this one. This one is more so about discipline than it is about weight loss. Yes, the weight loss is important, etc., but discipline is what I'm looking for in this specific fast. Now, if you don't know, my husband's doing the fast with me. He's actually been doing an amazing job. This is his first juice ever. He's never juiced before. And this morning before he went to work bright and early, he made himself his juices for the day and left. And I'm just floored because I didn't think he'd be able to do it, because anytime I'd be juicing around him, he just always said I would never be able to do it. And look at him, he's doing it now. And I'll talk about that, or if I haven't talked about it already, I'll link it down below and show you how exactly we got him juicing and how it's going for him as well, because now we're talking about 2 different journeys, right? So I have really good hopes for today, day 4. I think I'm gonna be straight. I'll check back in if anything changes, but if not, I'll see you on day 5.